Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9 Physics Chapter number 1st Measurement Lecture number 5. What is the difference between year and light year? First of all, the year is the unit of the time. Year is the unit of time, but light year is the unit of distance. Second part, the definition of the year, the duration of the time into which the earth completes one revolution around the sun. The duration of the time in which earth complete one revolution around the earth, around the sun, is called year. But the light year, the distance that light travel in the vacuum in 1 year. Light year, the distance that light travel in a travels in a vacuum in 1 year. Number 3, 1 year in second. We know that there are 365 days. There are 365 days in the year and 24 hours, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. If we multiply these, the answer is 31,536,000. If we this convert into scientific notation, 3.153 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. There are 3.153 into 10 to the power 7 seconds in the 1 year. Now the light year, one light year is the distance. We know that this V S is equal to Vt, where V is equal to C. C is the velocity of light and the value of the C is equal to C 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So S is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into time is 3.153 into 10 to the power 7 second. So the distance is 9.4 into 10 to the power 15 meter. One light year is the distance that the light cover 9.4 into 10 to the power 15 minutes in the seconds.